So today we're going to be making the Elmers Frosty Slime kit. It includes 2 clear glues, 8 glitter glue pens, 2 bottles of magical liquid.
I'm so excited, so let's get started.
So we're going to go ahead and pour this in.
Whoa, it looks so cool. There's 2 bubbles. There's so much bubbles in there.
I know.
There's glues in there.
That's enough. There's no more.
Next, we add these 2 colors into the bowl. Wally, do you want to do one?
Yes.
Which one? Wow, this is so cool and so glittery.
Yeah.
I can't wait to try it. It's like glue. It's glitter glue.
When you have none, it's hard. So much glue in it.
Ow, come on, yeah, your head coming.
Gotta take this off. That part was a little bit hard and long. Right, Alex?
Yep.
I really had to use my muscles.
Me too.
So now we're gonna add the Elmer's magical liquid. We're gonna dump the whole entire thing in.
Wow.
Let's do it.
It looks magical anyways.
Oh my god!
Look at that.
It looks
amazing.
It just made the glue more bigger. It looks just like glue.
Look at the glitter. It's all the way in the bottom.
Now it's all like making it all liquidy.
Wow, the glitter is like, it looks like it's in the bottom. And it looks 3D.
Yeah, it looks like 3D. Look.
It's so cool.
Now it's time to mix. We're gonna mix it till it gets hard and turns like slime.
Well, can we take turns?
Yes.
Well, it already looks like slime.
Look at it.
It looks so cool.
Like this is so cool. It's like already turning into slime. Look at it. I can like. I
Well,
pick
can
it
be
up.
my turn now.
Boy. The magic liquid is like kind of turning like into a little bit glue.
Yeah.
And the glitter, it's so cool too. Some of the magical liquid got into my hand.
Try to pick it up. It's not gonna work. Or it's already turning hard.
But it's already slime.
It's so slimy. Do you think it's ready, Wally?
Let's just try it. Guys, I think it's turning into slime. Like it's getting stickier and harder, and it's like slime.
Wow,
It is
it's
slime.
so cool. Is it sticky? Can I feel, Wally?
Yeah, it's.
Wow.
It feels like glue.
Okay, put it in my hands.
I'll split it. Ugh, it's so
Let's go
sticky.
for last.
It feels like glue, but it does not even really stain your hand, except the glitter. This is so cool.
Wow.
This thing is not even stain your hand on, except the glitter does. It's so cool.
Yeah, look at that. Well, you're not playing with it yet. You just have to do this until it's not that like sticky.
Wait, that's like the same thing as playing with it.
I know.
Oh, it's so cool.
Look how stretchy it is.
It's not even that stretchy. Look how sticky mine is. Mine's sticky.
Oh, look how stretchy that is. Ah, it's stuck to my hand. This is so cool. But for real.
Whoa.
Hey, it's like the coolest slime I've ever made. Right, Wally?
Yeah.
What?
Look at my hands.
Look at
Look
mine.
at the middle of my hand. It's not even that dirty.
Look at this. I hope you guys like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.